So I'm going to show you how to use all the Microsoft apps completely free at no additional cost to you. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notification so you don't miss when we release some helpful content. So do you want to use Microsoft Office, but you don't want to pay the absorbent price for Microsoft Office? Then you should probably try the Microsoft Office web apps to get your Office fix. So the Office apps reside on the Microsoft server itself. You access them via a website through your browser. Any browser will work, so you don't have to worry about using Internet Explorer specifically. You can use Chrome or Firefox, whatever works for you. They're all cloud-based, so there's no installation necessary, and they work via cloud systems similar to what you would get with Google Docs. But this is the Microsoft apps that you are used to and most people use since they were kids. Now, because it's cloud-based, the information itself is not stored directly on your system. It's stored on a OneDrive account that you get when you create a free Microsoft account. And that gives you access to all your docs that you're saving in the web-based version of these apps throughout any device you can access the internet from. So I guess the one real catch is that they're not as feature-packed as the applications you would normally download into your computer. But if you're really just looking for a quick fix on word processing, spreadsheet, or PowerPoint, then this will definitely do the trick, and even better, at its zero cost. So one of the first things you're going to need is an actual Microsoft account, free Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, go to accounts.microsoft.com, set up an account there so you can log in and start using these Office apps right away. And next, all you have to do is head over to office.com, sign in with that Microsoft account you just created. It's going to log you in and you'll see all the apps available on your home screen. You can start creating files immediately to be stored on your OneDrive. So once you start poking around and opening programs, you're going to realize that these programs function very similar to the ones that you are used to on your Windows computer. You can create Word docs, you can create Excel docs, you can create PowerPoint presentations. And again, everything is just stored directly there in your cloud-based system for easy access. And once you start saving files, you'll start seeing them appear in your Recent tab below your Office applications for quick access. And if you happen to be in an application, you don't actually have to close one out to open another. There's a Microsoft button in the top corner of your web browser. If you click on that button, then you can navigate back and forth between the different applications with ease. I think this is a really cool and budget-friendly alternative for people who are looking to use the Microsoft suite without actually paying for the different applications. You can get a lot done and you can use these apps to your liking. And if you want to eventually buy the full version, you can do it directly from your portal as well. It has the Office 365 tab. You just click on that and then you can purchase to your liking. But again, if you're just looking for something quick and easy to use and something that is familiar, this is definitely a great option, and I think it'll work and help a lot. So if you want to know more about the other alternative to this, which is Google Doc, go ahead and click on this video here that we've done about Google Drive and Google Doc. And this video is something that YouTube believes you'll enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notification. And until next time, peace.